Hi guys, welcome back to my channel S Factors. Today I am going to talk about human evolution from early life. Humans have evolved so much from the early life and we are still evolving. From killing animals by Stone Age to living luxurious life in 21st century. From finding fire to creating our own body. In the early Stone Ages, just humans started to evolve. They started to use stones to create fire, catching animals for food. And now, how humans evolved? Humans are the only one who obtained the advantage region. After so many struggles from origin 20 million years ago, fruit-eating creatures who lived in African trees who broke on shells. Living by eating leaves and fruits, our ancestors look like gorilla, with walking by four legs, which are same size and caring for nothing but eating and shelter. They have small brains and simple, and non-aggressiveness in nature. The body was medium. After 10 million years drop off in nature, they started to move from trees to trees via branches, lead them to walk by two legs and use the front legs for catching branches. That's where the two legs and hands are started to use and they started to evolve and started to walk by back legs. The hands are half human and half apes. Archaeopteryx are intermediate between humans and apes. 4 million years ago, a new species began to evolve. Those are gracile archaeopteryx. They were well adjusted to walk on two legs, use their hands properly, and they can walk for miles for food. They formed and live in groups so they can repel any danger. Moreover, they were so curious, these apes have little bit bigger brains and small teeth. These are nearly the first human-like. 2.5 million years ago, with the brain size of 700 grams, the first representative of our genes, the Homo habilis, started to evolve. He called by that name because they are the one who is the first to use stone as tools. They used the stone to carving meat depending from predators and killing prey in this era. The intelligence made to come over difficulties and find things and get evolved to discover new things. And the intelligence protected the species and come over. After this, around 1.5 million years ago, a new species occurred. Homo ergaster, the working man. These predators found the spear and stone tool to kill animals. One of the most dangerous animals also got afraid and killed by these species. Here where the man become hunter, also the time when humans find the fire. They are far more advanced than the first ape-sized man and have nearly the brain size as 800 grams and have the height of as same as modern humans. These predators took one more step to as colonize the planet, but they are not goodly welcomed by the nature. They are struggled so much and have faced the dangerous animals and killed. The next one are Homo heidelbergensis, are the first prehistoric humans to have almost the brain size as these modern humans, or what we have now. They are advanced. They started to have shelters, bury their dead, and created the first object man has ever come. The man has come a very long path of evolution with so many difficulties. What is the future now? Now everything depends on us. We have built electricity, technology, mobile phones, boats to travel on water, planes to travel by air, and now much more. We will be more advanced in the future. I will tell you how we are going to evolve from this technology to future. Until then, keep watching and keep supporting, and please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video and keep supporting me.